Here at Precision, there's nothing we haven't seen and nothing we can't fix.
The biggest concern is my car is trapped, I can't get it out, I can't go to work. And I totally understand that. And that's why we want to make sure that we're providing a service where we can help these people the same day.
So we like to get the job done safely, and we like to make sure that everything's taken care of.
Fixing broken garage doors, that's all we do here at Precision. We promise a quality repair and the best warranties in the business.
Quality service quickly, that's what you get with Precision.
Precision Door Service, a name you can trust.